Wanna go for a little rip? Go for a burn, bud? You're not coming. Beautiful day, and this is how we kill 3 birds with 1 stone. Okay. You ready to go for a burn? Ready? How about you? You ready? Yeah? There's a habit I'm going to have fun breaking. Yep. Enjoy it, buddy, because when I'm on you, you're not going to be able to do that. Who are we kidding? He's already done that with me once. Come on, brat. Should we psych him out like the dog? That's how we exercise, Leo. Good boy. Having a little snooze? Do you have a long night partying? It's quite the sounds, eh? What are you doing? Little moose gift maker? Look very guilty. Are you comfortable? You look pretty comfy. Best place in the house to chew the cud. Hey, bud. I'm looking for Mom. Here she is, getting moose distracted. Little cuddles. Get her, Gus. He loves that. Aww. He'll follow you anywhere with the rake. And then there's these two. What are you doing? We've got new lights. Want out to play? I think you do. Having fun? What are you doing? Hi. My three snobs over there. And then Gus. This is behind the scenes, trying to get them all to line up, but nobody's cooperating. They're not taking my grain shaking seriously. Come on, you guys! Mom over there. Try to get them to all be on this end. Ponies! Blueberry, get your head out of the arena. Thank you. You guys are not cooperating? Trinity. Hi, Comet. Hi, Night. Spartan, Denny, Aubrey. Gus in the far back. The only one that's not in here is Izzy, for obvious reasons, because there's a stallion in the arena. Oh, boys. Hey, get along. Put your get along shirts on. What are you doing? Penning the baby calf. Out. Out. Hurry up. Out. Out. Get. Hi. Dirty nose. Hey, dirty nose. Socks over there. Messing with the tarp. What are you doing? Huh? Don't bite my leg. Hey, dirty lips. Oh, Bean. Hi, Aubrey. Hi. What are you doing, snobby head? Hi. Rio. Here, play with this. Play with this. Here, goes like this. Let me try. Does Bart need to show you how? You want to try? I feel like if I didn't offer you that, you would play with it. There's this. What are you doing? Hey? Wrecking my panels. Mischief. Look at all the dirt in your booger liquor. Ah. What are you doing? Goodbye, then. They're all curious. Eventually he'll play with it. Or just crouch down with your horses. It incites a natural curiosity. And the moo-moo. Guys, what are you doing down there? Want to take me for a little ride? Okay, let's line up. Look how filthy you are. Come on, Gus. Come on, good boy. Good boy. And whoa. And whoa. Yeah, you line up better than most horses I know. Oh, my butt is going to get filthy. Comet's getting all the grooming. I think Gus could use a little bit of that. You gonna come check us out? Gas cam. Walk on. Good boy. Let's pen some horses. Walk on. Good boy. Get to it. Come on, go. Good boy. Come on. You can do it. Uh-oh, we have company. We have company. Walk on, guys. Walk on. Best seat in the house. All of you lined up nicely. And now for the rest. These guys are the hardest ones. Hey, no visiting in the lineup. Knight, Trinity, and Rio. No. Knight, move your butt over. Yeah. Good boy. Move your butt. Rio, don't wreck the situation. Trinity! Come on. Out of here. Go, Gus. Come on. You know you're not allowed in here. Because you guys make a mess. Come on. Out. Go on. Get out. Get. No. Go. Carrying it across the arena. Get. Who's starting to show? Beanie! Had your baby in there. Pretty girl. Come on. You find yourself without a feeder. Here's a great idea. Some trees and some hay. Voila. Mother Nature's own. What? Go in. Go. Got it. Look what I have. Who's excited about it? Are you excited about it? Are you excited about it? Blueberry. They are peanut butter cookies. Peanut butter chews. Smell it? It's supposed to be a long chew bone. Look at this. Already gone. He still has a little bit left. I got something special. Pop-Tarts. Strawberry flavor. Let's see if you like them. What do I got for you? Can I smell it first? Let's go. Okay. Should I taste it first? Make sure it's safe. Pop tarts are a hit. We know this because in the summertime you literally took them from a baby. What's that? Oh my goodness. Pretty good, hey? Strawberry is an acceptable flavor. Yeah? Come here. Are you done? Icing. That's a mood treat. And that's a wrap. Good boy.